Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 25th, 2025, and we're diving into Hexcel's second quarter earnings report for 2025. Hexcel is a global leader in advanced lightweight composites technology, serving the aerospace, defense, and industrial markets. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Hexcel's latest financial performance and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Hexcel reported net sales of $490 million for Q2 2025, a slight decrease from last year's $500 million. Despite this, the adjusted EPS came in at 50. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The sales decline of 2.1% was primarily due to reduced production rates in major aerospace programs like the Airbus A350. However, Hexcel managed to deliver an adjusted EPS of 50 cents, which is a positive sign, especially considering the challenging market conditions. The net income was $13.5 million, and operating income stood at $30 million, reflecting the impact of restructuring charges and lower sales.
Market segment performance. Hexcel's market segments showed mixed results. Can you break down the performance in commercial aerospace and defense, space and other?
Certainly. Commercial aerospace sales were $293.1 million, down 8.6% from last year, mainly due to decreased sales in major programs like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787. On the other hand, the defense, space, and other segment saw a robust growth of 9.5%, driven by programs like the Sikorsky CH-53K and various space initiatives.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Hexcel's gross margin was reported at 22.8%, down from 25.3% last year. What factors contributed to this, and what does the future hold for Hexcel?
The decline in gross margin is attributed to lower sales and inventory reduction actions, which led to unfavorable cost leverage. Additionally, restructuring charges of $24.2 million impacted the bottom line. However, Hexcel remains optimistic about future growth, maintaining its full-year guidance and continuing share repurchases, which totaled $64 million in Q2.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. CEO Tom Gentile provided insights into Hexcel's strategic direction. Can you share his perspective and any significant initiatives?
Tom Gentile highlighted the completion of the Belgium facility closure and the strategic review of the Austria facility as part of Hexcel's streamlining efforts. He also mentioned Hexcel's participation in the Paris Air Show, where they reinforced relationships and showcased technological advancements. These initiatives are aimed at positioning Hexcel for future growth as production rates increase.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 46 for Hexcel, but the company delivered an adjusted EPS of 50 cents. How significant is this beat?
This is a notable achievement for Hexcel, as they exceeded the forecast by 0.44 cents, which was based on a survey of 7 analysts. This beat indicates Hexcel's ability to manage costs effectively and deliver value to shareholders despite challenging market conditions.
Key takeaways. In summary, Hexcel's Q2 2025 results reflect resilience in a challenging environment, with a strong performance in the defense segment and a positive EPS surprise. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Hexcel's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Hexcel's performance in the comments below.